All right, so I'm going to add a little different element to this whole process. I'm going to show a little bit behind the scenes, something I like to do for fun. So let's go.
Click, 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 click and a pick it. Click, 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 click and a pick it. Click, 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 click and a pick it. Click, click, click.
So for me, music has been the absolute hardest thing I've ever had to learn. When I was a kid, I tried practicing guitar, and it would be so hard for me. I'd stop and I'd pick it up again, and I would stop. And it's literally taken me 25 years to be able to finally play enough songs to where I kind of feel like I'm starting to get it, but I'm still not there. So this is some songs that I practice. I try to practice a few days in a row. I missed about a month because I just wasn't feeling very good, but now I'm up and I'm practicing again. So some of my friends are like, you ought to just share some of that. And so I figure I'd tie you into a little bit of my life, my personal life, a couple of my passions, and maybe you'll get something out of it. All right, so let's check it out. There it is, okay.
It's another tequila sunrise, staring slowly across the sky. Said goodbye. He was just a hired hand, working on the dreams he planned to try. The days go by. Every night when the sun goes down, just another lonely boy in town. She's out running round. Wasn't just another woman, and I couldn't keep from coming on. It's been so long. Oh, and it's a hollow feeling when it comes down to dealing friends. It never ends. Take another shot of courage. Wonder why the right words never come. You just get done. It's another tequila sunrise. This old world still looks the same. Another frame.
Check. Check, check. Little living room practice here. Check 1, 2. Cable 3.
Rows of lights in a circle of steel, where you place your bets on a great big wheel. High windows flickering down through the snow. The time you know, the sights and sounds of the people going round. Everybody's in step with the season. A child is born to a welfare case, where the rats run around like they own the place. The room is chilly, the building is old. That's how it goes. The doctor's found on his welfare round, and he comes and he leaves on the double. they played in the flat next door where they shout all day. She tips her gin bottle back till it's gone. The child is strong. A week a day they will take it away, for they know about all her bad habits. Christmas dawns and the snow lets up, and the snow hits the handle of her heirloom cup. She hides her face in her hands for a while. Says, look here, child, your father's pride was his means to provide, and he's serving 3 years for that reason. Rows of lights in a circle of steel where you place your beds on a great big wheel. High windows flickering down through the snow. The time you know, the sights and sounds of the people going round. Everybody's in step with the season. You take the skyway high above the busy little one-way, and my stupid hat and gloves at night I lie awake, wondering if I'll sleep, wondering if we'll meet out in the street. Take the skyway. It don't move at all like a subway. It's got bums when it's cold like any other place. It's warm up inside, sitting down and waiting for a ride beneath the skyway. Walking down that little one-way, where the place I catch my ride most every day. There wasn't a damn thing I could do or say up in the skyway. 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 Almost heaven, West Virginia, Blue Ridge Mountains, Shenandoah River. Life is old there, older than the trees, younger than the mountains, blowing like a breeze. Country roads take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, all my memories gather round her. Miner's lady, stranger to blue water, dark and dusty, faded on the sky, misty taste of moonshine, teardrop in my eye. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, I hear her voice in the morning hour. She calls to me. The radio reminds me of my home far away. Driving down the road, I get a feeling that I should have been home yesterday. Yesterday. Country roads, take me home to the place I belong. West Virginia, mountain mama, take me home. Country roads, take me home. Country roads, take me home. Country roads. There's a place in the world for a gambler. There's a burden that only can bear. There's a place in the world for a gambler. And he sees, oh yes he sees. And he sees, oh yes he sees. There's a song in the heart of a woman that only the truest of loves can release. There's a song in the heart of a woman, set it free, oh set it free. Set it free, oh set it free. There's a light in the depths of your darkness. There's a calm at the eye of every storm. There's a light in the depths of your darkness. Let it shine, oh let it shine. Let it shine, Let it shine.
Click, 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 click and a picket. Click, 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 click and a picket. Click, 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 click and a picket. Click,